This video is going to show you how to do a factory reset on a first generation Istv box. So what you're going to do is you want to go here on the home page, you want to click up Setup Internet Connection. There's a couple tabs in here. So this is where you normally set up your internet connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but I want you to scroll over to the right and I want you to click on the word Other. It's the orange tab here. And you're going to click on More Settings. You're going to scroll down to almost to the bottom of the page here. And you're going to see a thing that says here, Backup and Reset. When you click on Backup and Reset, it's going to come over here. The only thing you need to do now is go ahead and click on Factory Data Reset. And it's going to say this will erase everything. You want to click Reset your MMX box. I'm not going to do it right now because if I do it, you're not going to be able to, it's going to basically shut my connection off to the video recording here. But I want to walk you through what's going to happen. So after you reset your box, it's going to reboot, and when it comes up, it's going to ask you to connect to the internet. It's going to walk you through a few steps. Then you're going to be at this page. However, there's going to be no icons on this page. So this is really important to remember this. You're going to want to go up here next to the clock, and you're going to want to click on these 9 squares that look like a Rubik's Cube. Now, when you click on those 9 squares, you're going to see a bunch of application files. If you did not get a pop-up message when a box rebooted after the factory reset, you should get a pop-up message asking to allow Google. You want to click allow, but if for some reason you did not get the message, you're going to look at these applications. If you don't see any green guys here, that means you're going to need to unplug the box and plug it back in. And the next time it boots up, you should start seeing these green guys. You want to give this box about 10 minutes to completely install all the application files. Now, you're still not going to have any icons on your desktop, so this is an important step. Once these little green guys show up, you're going to want to go down here to where it says Copy Data. You want to launch Copy Data. It's going to bring up this application, and you're going to see a blue line going across your screen right here. And when the blue line is finished, you're going to see a message that comes up that says Reboot, Go, Go, Go. When you click this button, it's going to shut down your box, it's going to reboot it, and when your box boots back up, you're going to see all of the icons here. So the other thing too about that Copy Data application, for those of you who have ever messed up your icons, you've deleted icons, just go over there to the Rubik's Cube and click on Copy Data. It's going to go ahead, it's going to reboot your box, and all your icons are going to be right back to the original state when you first got your box. Okay, there's one last and very important step. After you get all your icons back and the box boots up, don't click on the Istv application first, or icon. What I want you to do right now is I want you to open up an internet browser. You click the internet browser on your Istv box, and what I want you to do is go to istv.com/old, just like you see here on the video. When you click enter, it's going to bring up this page, how to upgrade and factory reset the first generation box. You may have already been to this page because you're watching some of these videos here. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down, and you're going to want to install the latest Istv application file that is made for the first generation box. Click on it. You're going to get a pop-up message here. It's going to ask you how you want to install this. You want to click on Easy Downloader and click Always. Now, it's going to automatically start downloading. When it downloads, it's going to ask you if you want to go ahead and upgrade the Istv application. And you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to install the Istv application. You want to click Open File, and you want to see right now we're on version 16.6 and we want to upgrade to 16.7. So you might be on 16.4, 16.5, depending on when you purchased your box. After you did a factory reset is going to determine what's currently installed. So you click on Install and select All, okay, and then click Install. What it's going to do is this is going to overwrite the existing file that's there, and it's going to take a couple moments. It's going to go through and it's going to reinstall the application file. When it's over, then you can go ahead and click open or done. It doesn't matter. If you click open, it's going to launch the ISTV application and it's going to install the main file. If you click done and you go back to the desktop and you click on the ISTV application, it's going to go ahead and launch it as well. So once it's done installing, you're going to get a message here to say open or done. Either one is fine, like I just explained. So this is really important because this is going to update it to the latest application file for the ISTV box. Now, some of you may not get that pop-up menu, but if you did a factory reset, you will always get that pop-up menu. But if you don't get the pop-up menu, this is important as well. I'm just going to go ahead and click done, and I'm going to go back to the desktop. So if for some reason you don't get that pop-up menu, well, where did the file go? You need to click on Settings and Help tab, and you want to click on this application called ES File Explorer. It's in the third row here. When you click on that, this is where the files get downloaded that you've installed. So you want to go up here on the left, you want to click on Local, and then you want to click on Download. And this is where you're going to see all of the files that you've downloaded and installed. Like we're doing a video on Terrarium, we installed that. But you're looking for the istv.apk. If you see istv1.apk, whichever is the largest number, is going to be the latest one that you just downloaded. So if this says ISTV bracket number 3, and you see number 2 and 1, you want to go and click on number 3. But that is the application file. We've already installed it, so it's not an issue. But if for some reason you don't see the file when you click on it, this is how you find it. Hope you enjoyed the video.